Sir, we're ready to begin.
How old do you think it is? 10,000? 100,000?
Mr. Wayland?
Yes. Begin the breaching procedure.
Coming in low and smooth. Still nothing from the surface?
Negative. Surface to your combat drop until further notice.
Understood, Marlowe. We're... What the hell? Unknown vessel detected. Shit, it just appeared out of nowhere.
Marlowe, you reading this?
Shit.
Marlowe! Come in, Marlowe!
The Marlowe's gone. Last wave inbound. Strap in and hold tight. That means you too, Rookie.
What's the matter, Rookie? Didn't they cover this in simulation?
Tequila, get the kid on his feet. He's out cold.
Rookie, you still with us? Come on, Private. Let's get you on your feet.
Okay, listen up. We have a potential xenomorph infestation here. That's right, a bug hunt. So make sure you nail your targets at a distance. Molecular acid can be a real son of a bitch. All right, Marines, time to secure the area. Let's take a look inside.
Got something! Movement right on top of us! Contact!
Rookie, you reading me? This is Tequila. Thought we'd lost you, kid. Take your time. Look around slowly. You took quite a knock to the head during the drop. Take a stim. You'll feel better. Your squad bugged out in a hurry. Had to leave you behind. On the upside, you missed a hell of a fight. Power's down all over the colony. Use your flashlight. And if you need more light, pop a flare. Alright, Marine. You need to get out of there. Way out's via the basement. I'll send an objective marker to your heads-up display. You should be clear of friendlies, so if anything moves, shoot it. Listen, Major Van Zant's got trouble in the refinery. I gotta go off mic. Keep moving. I'll be in touch.
BG-386. Not quite a home away from home when the company staked its claim. But here at Weyland-Yutani we see beyond the immediate. Shaping new worlds for every man, woman, and child. Weyland-Yutani, building better worlds. BG-386. Not quite a home away from...
Come in, Rookie. You still breathing? Good. Okay, Rookie. We're gonna reset the system with the power breaker. It should be a lever. Pull it to shut the system down. Come on, we need these. Good. Now give it a moment. Then turn it back on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now throw that lever again to reboot the system. Shit. What happened? I'm reading movement. Check your perimeter. Get out of there. Regroup with the others. Wait. I've still got environmental control. inside your room. Yeah! That's got it. Get yourself out of there. Is it dead? Incoming! Blasted for blood! Melee at distance! Don't forget, you've got stims if you need it. Damn it! Now I'm locked in.
Real shame the rookie got left behind. Sure, he's wet behind the ears, but he's got heart. Maybe that'll be enough to see him through. Tequila out.
Whatever sank the Marlowe handed the Xenos a trump card. This drop is shaping up worse than Acheron, if that's possible. to you now, rookie. Get your ass to admin pronto. We're in a real shitstorm here, so stay frosty, rookie.
Guard duty again. How come I always get the crappy details? Fucking Tequila treats me like shit, but nursemaid's a new rookie. Waste of fucking time. No way that kid will make it through this.
I'm still locked in admin with no power, rookie. I'm picking up movement ahead of you, and it ain't friendly. What are you doing out there? I'm locked in the next room, but there's an emergency generator by the door. The generator takes power nodes. I saw some lying around out there. Keep looking for those power nodes, rookie. I know I saw some.
Good job, rookie. I guess we're even. How's the head? Come on in and grab yourself a pulse rifle, kid. What the heck was Weyland Yutani up to down here? It's Xeno Central on this rock, and these bugs don't just pop up unannounced. And I don't even want to think about the hostiles that popped in out of nowhere and took out the Marlow. Anyway, listen, I think I can control some of the colony's systems from here.
All right. Power's back online.
Repeat.
This is Connor. My squad's in the club. We got power, lighting, ventilation. Everything but the booze is flowing. Hold up. Shit. We got movement. Guess we woke up the neighbors. Requesting backup. There's some weird shit in here.
Connor, I can give you one man. He's a little clumsy, but he's a Xeno killer, all right. Proceed to the club and give him some fire support. I gotta stay here and get the rooftop sentries back online. Give him hell, rookie.
They need you up at the club. Rookie is in the vicinity. Rookie, they got the music off, so they must be near. Check the next floor. Head to the elevator. I've marked it on your HUD. What is that? Some kind of nest? Must be some new breed of Xeno.
Private Gibson here. I'm on my way to the Rookie. We had to pull back. It was a slaughterhouse in there. I'm coming up in the elevator now.
Watch those shadows, Rookie. The private will be there soon.
Almost there. Hold up.
Gibson? Shit. The Xeno must have ripped through some cables. Crap! The elevators are down. I'll try to reroute the power. I'm tracking you. Multiple signals. Hold on, Rookie! I'm working on an exit. Just stay alive. Get in, and I'll take you out of there.
Sheila! It's Stanko team. Lost touch with Gibson.
Gibson's down, Echo Team. Sending the Rookie your way. Take good care of him. He's had a rough ride.
Sure thing, Tequila. I'll treat him like my kid brother.
Welcome to base camp, Rookie. You had yourself quite a party back there. Glad you made it.
Suck it up, kid. You'll live.
Come with me, Rookie. We're needed upstairs.
I've got readings.
Let's move.
Why'd they just give up like that?
They're testing the perimeter, Private.
What the? What happened?
happened to the lights?
They cut the power.
Multiple contacts! Sentry's running hot! They're at the pressure door!
Rookies, get down those stairs.
Get out of the way! I need
Sentry 1 is down. Find the command laptop. Get it back online.
This is it, man. This is it. Just stay quiet. We'll make it.
We have to regroup.
Jackson? Nolan? Shit. I think we're on our own here. Don't let your guard down. You hear that?